Hey everyone, I'm Amar and today we are diving into one of the biggest breakthroughs in quantum computing, Microsoft's new Majorana based quantum chip. This is not just another lab experiment. This could be the key to unlocking the next generation of ultra powerful, error resistant quantum computers. In this video, I will break down exactly what Microsoft has achieved, why this discovery is so groundbreaking, and what it means for the future, both in the short term and the long term. Could this be the moment that pushes quantum computing into real world applications? Stay tuned because what I'm about to share might just blow your mind. Before we get into Microsoft's huge breakthrough, let's take a step back and understand what quantum computing really is. In classical computing, everything boils down to bits, either a 1 or a 0. This is how every computer from your smartphone to the most powerful supercomputers processes information. But quantum computers, they work in a totally different way. Instead of bits, they use qubits. These qubits can exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be both 1 and 0 at the same time. And when multiple qubits are entangled, they can process an astronomical amount of information simultaneously. This gives quantum computers an insane advantage over classical machines in solving problems like cryptography, drug discovery, optimization, and even AI. The roots of quantum computing go all the way back to quantum mechanics, which scientists like Einstein and Schrödinger explored in the early 20th century. But it wasn't until 1980s that physicist Richard Feynman and others realized that if nature operates on quantum principles, maybe we should build computers that do the same. Now, Microsoft has been in quantum race for quite some time, while companies like IBM and Google were making progress using superconducting qubits. Microsoft was betting big on something different. There is the topological qubits, a type of qubit that could be far more stable and resistant to errors. Back in 2019, Google claimed quantum supremacy, meaning their quantum processor outperformed a traditional supercomputer in a specific task. But there was a catch. Quantum computers are notoriously unstable. They require extreme cooling and still produce tons of errors. This is where Microsoft's new breakthrough comes in. They have successfully engineered a Majorana-based qubit, which is a topological qubit. Unlike previous qubits, these are far more stable, less prone to errors, and scalable, which means we are one step closer to real-world quantum computers. So what does this mean in the short term? Well, Microsoft's discovery could lead to much more reliable quantum computing prototypes within the next few years instead of just small, unstable quantum processors. We are now looking at the possibility of building real quantum hardware for commercial use. Expect breakthroughs in cloud computing, where Microsoft Azure Quantum Platform could integrate these new qubits, giving businesses and researchers access to next generation computing power. Sectors like pharmaceuticals, where quantum computers could simulate molecules with unprecedented accuracy, could see major advancement. And in cybersecurity, today's encryption methods could soon become obsolete as quantum computers get closer to breaking traditional cryptographic code. And in the long run, this is where things get really exciting. With stable quantum computers, we could solve problems that are currently impossible. Designing next generation materials, optimizing global supply chains, and even accelerating artificial intelligence to levels we can't yet imagine. Quantum AI could revolutionize machine learning, making today's AI models look primitive in comparison. Imagine AI that can predict weather patterns with perfect accuracy or create truly intelligent robots that learn like humans. And here's the big one, quantum powered AGI, that is the artificial general intelligence, could become a reality leading to a future where AI isn't just a tool but something that truly thinks and reasons at an entirely new level. Microsoft isn't alone in this race. The big players include IBM, Google, and even Intel, all working on different quantum architectures. But with Microsoft's Majorana based qubits, they have just pulled ahead in the stability game. On the hardware side, companies like TSMC, Intel, and even Nvidia could play a role in mass producing quantum chips. Just like the semiconductor-based semiconductor industry shaped the modern computing era, the quantum chip industry could shape the next one. And when it comes to AI, quantum computing could exponentially accelerate machine learning models. Today's AI takes days or weeks to train on massive datasets, but with quantum power, it could happen in minutes or even seconds. Think about what that means for autonomous systems, medical research, and even self-improving AI that learns in real time. So there you have it. Microsoft's Quantum Leap is setting the stage for a future we have only dreamed of. But what do you think? Is quantum computing the key to the next AI revolution? Or are we still decades away from real world impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest tech breakthroughs. Thanks for watching. This is Amar, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.